Morning, YouTube. Oh, I know. You're gonna get tired of my videos. I got less and less views. I got like 4 views. I don't give a crud. I just put it out there, let you know what's going on, what I've been up to, what I'm doing. But I figured I'd show you what DCC system I use. Now you got NCE, you have Digitrax. Excuse me, crap in the eyes. I don't think ESU has a system, but I know Digitrax is out there, NCE, and then there's the system that I use. The system that I use is the MRC Prodigy, Prodigy. That's the system I use, and the reason why I use it is just because I've used Digitrax. I don't mind Digitrax; it's not bad, but it can be a headache. I haven't used NCE, so I couldn't tell you how NCE is. But yes, we're gonna flip it this way. So this is what I use. When I get my module up and running, this is the system I will be using. And if that certain individual is watching my videos, he'll know who it is. A good friend of mine I bought this off of. Now you're wondering what that was. I'll show you that in a minute. But here's your controller. Your controller is pretty easy. You have forward and reverse. I'm trying to get you the best angle here. Let's straighten you out. There we go. So you have forward and reverse. That's your local. Route, accuracy, concepts I haven't really played with. System, program. And then your numbers to program. Or, your different numbers for different functions. But these are also double as for your local address and that. And then you have all your stop, speed, step, time. So there is that controller. I do have another one of these. They are in the in the closet. If you were wondering what I put over here aside, and I told you I was getting to it, I will get to them. Just give me a sec. It's been a while since I've been in here. So, also in this box, you have your instructions. Always good to keep the manual somewhere. Bulb wire, if anybody. This is your power supply for this. All it is a brick. It's an MRC switch power supply model, 15 volt, 3.5 amps, input AC 1200, 240 volt, 1000 milliamps, 50 to 60 hertz, output, DC put. That's all it is your power inverter. That's all this is. And if you're wondering why there's 2 cords on it, basically all this does is plug in here. Yes, I'm just doing it backwards. This part right here goes into right here. This part basically goes right back here. And it goes in here. And then that's that part. But in order to get your power there, 120, 240 volt outlet. Simple, easy. Once you get your power to your power will come into this. And then, yes, it's dusty, it needs to be clean, but it'll still work. You have cab selection, all cabs 1 through 8. Then you have your link and your pilot, power off or on. And then your controllers plug in here, which you'll need a cable. It's almost like your phone cable, but it ain't. Right there. It's an RJ45. When you look inside there, there is a orange, black, red, green, yellow, blue, and brown. But this will connect here. I don't do it upside down. But it will connect just like that. It doesn't matter which port you put it in. You'll hear a snap. So you have that. And then this part just clicks into there. That's the basic DC system that I have. There's one other part for this that you need to make it run. Well, you get the power to here. Let's set you up a little more. So now you basically have your power to this. So you have that cable that goes here, which is your power brick, which goes to your wall. Well, once the power's in here, you're going to need to get your power from here to your track. That is what this is. This brick right here, and I can literally, I will read the back to you a little bit too. All it does is, which way does it go? I can't, there we go. That's how it slides in. And then on here, which I don't have, if you look at the back very closely, that's the other thing, it will fall out. It is a pain in my butt. That's alright. So your track is here, your program track's here. These two wires I have underneath the module, but I didn't put them this way. There is a trick to this too. And you can, my good buddy Harry Haythorne can tell you how to wire it so that on your module, any good brother or besides Harry, Spark can tell you this too. You take a section of track, you put insulator wires in it, you run the program track to a switch. The switch will say regular DCC or program. If it's in program, you do not want to run a locomotive over there. Because if you run a locomotive through it, it will delete the address and every other thing in there, and then you gotta go, what did I do? So, but I will show you that eventually. But that's what I use. It's the MRC Pro Advanced DC system. I will eventually get the wireless module for this, so I can run the throttle through the JMRI through my phone. That way people can have more throttles if they have a smartphone. So instead of buying this, if you have a smartphone, I would then let you guys use JMRI. Just download that and use that. But that's what I use. Hope you enjoyed it.